Hello, and welcome to this month's Tips and Tricks video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your own custom label images to your treatment note templates. The system already includes label images in your treatment note templates, but you can change them or print your own. This can be quite useful when the default images don't quite match what you need for your practice. You can find a different image and customize the templates to better suit your specific treatment method or client needs. Let's dive in. Go to Setup and select Treatment Note Builder from the drop-down. In any treatment note template with a label image question, click the edit icon next to the question. Please note you can also do this when creating a brand new template. From here, you can upload your image by clicking on the Choose from Gallery button, and then on the Upload Image button to select the image from your desktop. Once uploaded, the image will appear in the list. Select it and click Insert. We're going to remove the other images from the template since we'll only need the newly added one. After inserting the image, click on Save to update the question, and then click on Save Template to update the entire template. Now let's see how this looks like in an actual appointment. Go to the calendar and open the appointment. Click on the Treatment Note tab from the left menu and select your treatment template. For this example, we're going to use the detail soap that we recently updated. You'll see the newly added image ready for you to start typing your notes. And that's how you add your own custom label images. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us at support@clinicsense.com. Thank you for watching and see you next time.